In the ongoing conflict near Avdiivka, recent footage reveals a compelling development. Ukrainian attack drones have successfully prompted a Russian tank crew to abandon their vehicle. This incident occurs amid Moscow's ongoing assault on the town in Donetsk, a campaign that has endured for nearly 4 months. In the vicinity of Avdiivka, reports from Serhii Sternenko, a Ukrainian activist dedicated to fundraising for Kiev's troops on the front lines, indicate that Russian forces fired from a tank. Following this, a Ukrainian drone took precise action, targeting the Russian tank and ultimately forcing Moscow's troops to evacuate the vehicle after unsuccessful attempts to continue operations against Ukrainian soldiers. In this footage, we observe a snow-covered tank engaging in gunfire before succumbing to a hit, prompting soldiers to evacuate the undamaged vehicle. Although the drone footage does not provide precise details about the tank's model, speculation suggests it might be the Russian T80 BVM, with an estimated value of approximately $4.5 million. The strategic deployment of cost-effective kamikaze drones in the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict has led to considerable casualties on both fronts. It's remarkable that a mere $500 drone has the capability to effortlessly dismantle armored vehicles with a value in the millions of dollars. In numerous instances, Ukraine has unveiled videos showcasing its drones confronting Russian troops in strategically significant zones along the front lines. In a video released in late December, the Ukrainian military displayed footage suggesting that an economical Ukrainian drone forced the crew of a sophisticated Russian T90M tank to abandon their high-value asset. Following Russia's initiation of a full-scale invasion in February 2022, Ukraine has bolstered its arsenal with a formidable drone fleet, continually innovating new aerial devices and securing funding for additional units. These drones assume pivotal roles across multiple facets of the conflict, encompassing reconnaissance, kamikaze-style drone strikes, and precision guidance for artillery fire. Kiev forces employ kamikaze drones as a routine tactic to target Russian armored vehicles, including formidable main battle tanks. These cost-effective explosive drones are typically crafted from readily available commercial components, offering a potent means to inflict substantial damage on enemy vehicles or personnel. A recent assessment from the UK Ministry of Defence reveals that Russian forces have suffered a considerable loss, with around 365 main battle tanks and 700 armored combat vehicles reported as lost since early October. In mid-January 2024, Brigadier General Oleksandr Tarnovsky, commander of the Ukrainian Tavria group of forces overseeing Avdiivka, revealed images showcasing the aftermath of Russian military vehicles scattered across fields near Avdiivka. According to Tarnovsky, there are numerous destroyed Russian equipment units dispersed along the front lines near Donetsk city, the northwestern regional capital. Both Russia and Ukraine have refrained from providing precise information on their battlefield losses up to this point. The internet is abuzz with various reports circulating, offering inconsistent and less precise details about the war casualties suffered by both sides.